Welcome back guys, VST here at NSP Tech. This is the iPhone 14 Pro and this here is the very beautiful Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Alright, in this video guys, I'm gonna talk about something that I do believe we need on our Samsung phones right now. Alright, it's gonna be a short video, but it's something that is very important for me as a person that I'm using my phones daily to photograph anything from moving kids, running kids, from landscapes, portrait, everything guys. Okay, let me show you guys. Without any further ado, I'm gonna open the camera and I'm gonna open the camera here as well. Alright, so we now have here the main ultra wide camera, but this is the main camera guys. You can just see, alright, I just can snap a photo, it's pretty much the same. Okay, but this is not the standard setting on the iPhone. I purposely just concealed it for you guys because there is something called view outside the frame, and this is the standard setting on the iPhone. Let me show you what is going to happen right now. I'm gonna open the camera guys. The moment you are able to notice the differences guys, right? And this is a very subtle but very important change. Why? Because right now guys, on the iPhone I can already see what is outside of the frame, and this is the indication of actually what my ultra wide camera would see. Let me show you an example. So I do a picture like this, it's going to be pretty much the same picture, right? It is the picture shot by my main camera, the wide one, but here guys I have a real-time indication outside of the frames what my ultra-wide camera is able to shoot. I'm gonna go back now on my full camera guys, and you can pretty much see this is something that I want so badly on the Samsung phones. It would have been really great to just give this indication to us the users and pretty much make use of this black bar. And you know what, Samsung is already doing a great job copying functions, right? So things like the cutout are no longer iPhone exclusive guys, see? So why not Samsung please bring this view outside of the frame function? This is gonna be really very good. We have this very premium phone and I do believe that we deserve to have this function. If you agree with me guys, then you can like the video, sub for the channel for more tips and tricks like this, and stay safe. VST over and bye.